Sweet. KOIAI. And they've had some lineup changes here recently. I mean, started out, it was Rina, right, who was singing. And then Kotono came on, who I really like. I really like her voice. And then she had some difficulty with singing, performing live. So she took time away. Then they had some fill-in singers, and now they're doing like a reboot thing, and they have a new singer. I don't know what her name is. I'm sure I will get told in the chat. So far, what I've heard, her voice is very different from Kotono and Rina. Their voices are very kind of breathy, very kind of delicate, you know. Powerful but delicate. What's up, Luke and Marie? Mirei is the new singer. I think that's what Scruffy's saying. Okay, so Cookie Monster, correct. It was the Lisa X band was when Rina was there, and then when she left and they kind of reconfigured it, that it was KOIAI when Kotono started. So that's a good point. I forgot about that. So that's what's going on. So this should be with Kotono. But so far what I've heard with the new singer, I don't...
Oh, no, you didn't.
So let's check out KOIAI with Beat Peep. I'm sure I've heard it, but I can't remember what the fuck song it was. This is with the new singer, yeah? Okay, this just came out 6 days ago. Okay, Reboot performance was held on November 22nd at Nihonbashi Mitsui Hall. A new chapter for KOIAI has begun. So vocal Mirei Sakurada, Lisa X on guitar, Hazuki on guitar, Kanade on drums, and Unika Impact on bass. They're looking to, like, this is the lineup now. It was on my note. Oh, wait. Did I just not read your note? I didn't, did I? I was too distracted in my own mind. From the Reboot Show with new singer Mirei and guest support from Unika Impact of Kakame Maloic, and also been doing support for Saki's solo stuff. Thank you, Home Gnome.
Please don't hurt me.
Sorry I didn't read it. You think, with it being right in front of my face, that would be easy to remember. Beep Beep. Is this I don't know if it's a new song or not. Is it a new song or is it just her singing on it? You think, with it being right in front of my face. Sounds familiar. Sounds really good. What a weird band. I gave this a cursory listen earlier. I just saw it was out. So I listened to get a sound of her voice. And that's all. I just heard enough. I just heard some of her voice to kind of be like, oh, okay, it's really different. But I'm really liking, like now, I like what's going on. And yeah, it's really cool seeing Unique Impact get so many gigs. She's going to be busy for a long time. And Home Loan says, I also really like Kotono's voice, but it has to work as a band. Yeah. That's what I was going to say, dude. That's why I stopped it. She seems really comfortable on stage, so I don't know what she's done. She's only 19. Yeah, she's looks really comfortable on stage. Let's get to Lisa's solo. Okay, I guess another Hazuki song. Little bell hit, man. Sounds really good, man. That was a really good song, man. I mean, it was a good song. I guess I knew already, but she sounded really good. What do you guys think? Different than her other vocalists, but she's really good on stage with them, so that's cool. Hope it works out, man. If they can get a solid lineup, it'll help them kind of keep going. I like her though. Yeah, I think she sounds really good with them, which is nice. Better than me going. No, I'm not gonna say that. She sounded really good.